What's going on today, Sammy?
We're getting a new machine.
Two new Doosans from Ellison Technologies.
So what does machine acquisition mean at Griffin Armament? It means that we are excited to invest more resources into the company, into our customers.
Because it means a lot to us that you guys do business with us. And we want to make sure that when you want to buy something that you can get it from us. Because we feel like that's being a good steward of the money you guys invest with us.
Morning, Alex Knable, sales manager, Ellison, Wisconsin. Here at Griffin Armament, delivery day. We got D&M 5700S and a Puma 2100 SY delivery today. Griffin's been a great customer and continue to watch him grow and glad to be a part of it.
Machines, they mean shorter lead times for our customers, better product support, and ability for us to keep making our parts in-house, which provides you with that great quality that you guys expect from us.
Smash this bitch hard. Smash it hard. Yeah, on you.
The door.